Okay, assignment number 13, rock, paper, scissors. This is the Moodle look here, but I'm going to go into Repellent. And here's my assignment breakdown. So this is where you're going to be working with conditional statements and comparing variables. Okay. In this project, I want you to complete the rock, paper, scissors game that we started in lesson 12. There's several pieces missing if you went through the lesson and created everything there. Here's the add-ons that you're going to need. In the real game, there's going to be 3 choices per player, 9 total combinations per instance of the game. So every time the game is played, there's 9 things that can happen. Okay, 3 of those are a tie, 3 indicate one player wins, 3 indicate a second player wins. Okay, your version must include user input for the following choices and must account for every combination possible. So you could have a variable where you're going to use user input and it says player A choose rock, paper, scissors. And then once that's happened, you say player B choose rock, paper, scissors, and then an outcome comes out. Now that's not the most fun game because the 2 things don't happen at the same time. But for the most part, I just want you working with conditionals to show me that you know how to do that. So if you feel like a challenge, you can address these 3 things. So what if the user inputs a character? That's not an option. So what if you say player A enter R for rock, P for paper, and S for scissors, and the user, because they're stupid, enters monkey? What happens? Can you figure out a way to only allow the player to enter the 3 things you've asked them to enter? Okay. The second one is, can you play multiple games and keep a running score? And the third one is, can you play it against the computer? Now, in order to play it against the computer, you're going to need to use the random method, which you could Google, but we're also going to touch on the random method in a future lesson here. So that's your assignment for number 13. Let me know if you have any questions.